What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your old and install the new cabin air filter on the 2019 Nissan Sentra. Stay tuned. What's going on? This is your boy Herbert. Here is how to remove it. Please remove this panel without scratching it. Just pull it out. You will then remove all these 3 top screws with the Phillips screwdriver. These 3 bottom screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Pull out your glove compartment box. There's a small tab there just from the bottom. Pull it out. You'll see that it's very simple to take out. Very small also. Here's the filter. Make sure you squeeze it to pull it out. This is what it looks like when it's completely out. Right here you will insert the new one the same way, squeezing it in. Make sure that you squeeze it in and make sure it fits snugs.